Hello students, welcome to Dr. Shoutab's classes, and in this video, as in the previous video, I've seen that we have solved the solving the question UPSC, that is mathematical optional paper of 2021. So as it is considered as one of the toughest exam, so we are solving the mathematics paper of 2021, and it is the paper 1. Okay, so in the previous video we already solved 1B and 1C, so 1A and 1B, sorry. Now in this video we will solve the question number 1C. So we will take a look into this 1C question before solving that. So what it is given, so it's given that del of x is a matrix that is f of x plus alpha, f of x plus 2 alpha, f of x plus 3 alpha. It's f alpha, f2 alpha, f3 alpha, f prime alpha, f prime 2 alpha, f prime 3 alpha. So this f is a real valued differentiable function, and where alpha is a constant. So what you have to find, we have to find the limit x tends to 0 del x by x. So if we put x equal to 0 over here and 0, so this is going to be the 0 by 0, which is invalid. So we have to apply the L'Hospital's rule. So for the L'Hospital rule, we know that we need to get this value of del prime x by 1. So that we have to find. So now what we have, so let's write that. So that is given as del x. So we have f of x plus alpha, f of x plus 2 alpha, f of x plus 3 alpha, and it is f alpha, f2 alpha, f3 alpha, and the final in the last row we have f prime alpha, f prime 2 alpha, and f prime 3 alpha. Okay, so that we have. Now this, we already know this f of alpha, f of 2 alpha, and f of 3 alpha. So these are nothing but the constants, right? So these are nothing but the constants. So what is this? We can write this del of x as, so this del x can be written as, so it will be f of x plus alpha. So we can write it in this form, f of 2 alpha, f of 3 alpha, and it is f prime 2 alpha, f prime 3 alpha, minus, so it is f of x plus 2 alpha, right? So here it is, we will have only this f of alpha, f3 alpha, and this is f prime alpha and f prime 3 alpha, and the final will be this is plus of fx plus 3 alpha, which is this f alpha, f2 alpha, and f of prime alpha, f prime 2 alpha. Okay, so this is we have, so this is the del of x. So we can write it more simplifiedly in this form, in simplification, that is del of x is equal to a f of x plus alpha minus b f of x plus 2 alpha plus c f of x plus 3 alpha. Okay, so this we can write where this ABC. So let us say this is equation number 1, and this A, B, and C, these are constants, right? Now we can do one thing, that we can do the derivative of this. So since we have to find the del prime, so we can find the del prime over here. So del prime of x is equal to, a is constant, so a of f prime x plus alpha minus b f prime x plus 2 alpha plus c f prime x plus 3 alpha. Okay, so this we can write. Now put the values of a, b, c over here. So we have this, simply we can write this is as f of 2 alpha, f 3 alpha, f prime 2 alpha, f prime 3 alpha. So that is, we can write this f of prime x plus alpha minus, so this will be simply f alpha and f of 3 alpha. This is f prime alpha and f prime 3 alpha, right? So here it is f prime x plus 2 alpha plus, so we have to put the value of c also. So c is f of alpha, f 2 alpha, f prime alpha, f prime 2 alpha. So that is f of prime x plus 3 alpha, right? So that is the del of x. So from here we can simply write this del prime x. So del prime x is, so you have to find this. So del prime x is nothing but, so this is f prime x plus alpha, that is f prime x plus 2 alpha, f prime x plus 3 alpha, right? So in the, it will be f of alpha, f of 2 alpha, f of 3 alpha. So it will be f of prime alpha, f of prime 2 alpha, f prime 3 alpha. Okay, so that will be the del prime x. So we have to find the derivative, that is the limit. So limit is equal to, this is x tends to 0. Yes, we have this x tends to 0, not infinity. So we have, so it, we have to find the del x. Okay, so that is del x prime by 1. So del of x prime x, if we put x equal to 0, so this 1 and third row will be same, so everything is be constant. So whatever will be here, it will be 0, and by 1 it is given. So the ultimate, the answer of the limit is C. Okay. So that is for the question number. So this equation, this for this, the value of the limit is 0. That is for question number 1C. So this is answer is 0. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is 1D.